Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to install WordPress on a Namecheap domain. So when you log into Namecheap account, like what you are seeing here, you can see a domain list, hosting, and all that. So you click on the domain list. So under domain list, you look at the domain you want to install WordPress on. So for example, let's say that this is the one I want to install WordPress on. So you click on it. So when you click on manage, it will take you to this particular screen that you are seeing. So under that, you click on the products. Click on the products. So when you click on products, as you can see here, it's going to bring me here. So I'll come under the products. So under the products, I'll see the hosting packages that I have. So the hosting packages that you have, for example, this one is the Stellar hosting package. So when you click on manage, okay, when you click under manage or you click on this small arrow, you see go to cPanel. So I'm going to the cPanel. So it brings me to the cPanel. So you come scroll down and click on WordPress. Okay, so it brings you here. So under here, for example, you will have to click on install. When you click on install, you make sure that you choose the correct domain that you want to install it on. So for example, you may have several domains like, as you can see here, I have many domains. One is the one you are seeing. There are several others. So you make sure that you click on the drop-down arrow where it will select the right domain for you, and then you select that one. Then you come and then also set the site settings. So for example, you have to put the site name. So if this is among the domains, if this is the domain I selected, I can put the name that corresponds to that particular site. So put the name of your site, put the description of it. So the name of the site is the name of your website. The description should fall under, and then aside that, you also put the username, then you also put the password, and then you put all those information. Then after that, yeah, so I'm just trying to type a name for the site. So you put a correct name that corresponds to that. Here, as you're seeing, a trusted SSL certificate is needed. In fact, what normally happens is that sometimes it takes up to 48 hours before it takes effect. So after you are done, you click on, or what do you call it? Let me just show you. After you're done, you click on install. After you are done with the settings, when you click on install, as you can see, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So it is installed. And then if you want to now continue the building of your website, you can now click on return to WordPress management. Then it will now log you into the WordPress admin dashboard. Then you can start building your website. Okay, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. If you follow the procedure and you didn't get a solution, or if you need more help, you can leave your comments in the comment section and then let me know whatever problem you are facing, and then I'll come in to help you. You can also follow the WhatsApp link and the Telegram link in the description of this video to contact me to help you more on how to get these issues fixed. Once again, thank you and see you in the next video.